The Sneaky Tiger by Kevin Costley. To start off with, let's find our resting tone. I see a key signature with one flat. We have a choice. It could either be F Do or D La. Here's F Do or F major scale. Here's a D minor scale. I notice that the starting note is a D. I'm calling that La. And I'm noticing down here, this is also a D, La. So I'm going to guess that this piece is in D, La, La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Mi, Ti. Measure 5. Ti, Do, Re, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. All right, so we're in definitely D La. Now when I get to measure 9, I have the melody in the left hand. La, Ti, Do, La, Ti, Mi, Ti, Ti, Do, Re, Do, Ti, Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La, La. So when you're working on this piece, it's important that you sing it the way we always have done it. I'm giving you a start. La, Ti, Do. But beyond that, please don't write anything in. I'll give you one more clue, and that's at the bottom of the page. Mi, Re, Do, Ti, La. So you're putting your hand in that. All right, here's the first page. The hands are playing in unison in D La position. Ti, Do, Re, Ti, Do, Re, Mi. Now I know it says to play both hands one octave lower. I'm not doing that yet. Now, measure 9, I have that melody, and in the right hand, I'm playing 3 notes, which you could name. You know that it's F, A, C, E. So this would be an E. For the bottom note, can you figure out the other 3? And you can find them in the D La position. La, ti, do, re, mi, ti, di, ti, do, mi. And you may notice that that pattern is repeated over and over again. But then it changes. How? Figure that out. And then that continues all the way until you get back to the original pattern. Okay, now we get to this part here, and I see that they want me to put a 4 on a B flat. Looks like we're in, I don't really know what we are. No, we're in minor. Again, measure 21, you're going to read these notes. First space is an F. Left hand, you've got spaces. A, C, E, G. All cows eat grass. They want you to put a 1 on a G. My hand feels like it's in a C position. All right, and over here, measure 21, I'm noticing that I've got a thumb, a pinky on an E flat. And this is a B flat. I'm telling you these two notes. Measure 25, you're back. Okay. All right, here comes the entire piece from beginning to end. I'm going to now play it an octave lower. My hands are in D-La position as I'm playing. Now, left hand has the melody, right hand's playing these little chords in between. Yes, turn the page. Left hand, you're on a G-Do, a G with your thumb. Right hand, you're on a B flat. Then you move your hands to E flat, B flat, right hand stay